Things everyone should know about money that you don't learn in school. The first thing you need to know about money is you need to spend less than you make. By that I mean you need to avoid debt and don't use credit cards as a saving grace. If you don't have the money to spend right then and there, you can't afford it. So don't use loans and credit cards as a short-term solution because it will put you into debt and make it a lot worse in the long run. So you need to earn more than you spend. You also need to minimize your debt. So while not all debt is bad, like say paying for college, buying a house, not everything is bad when it comes to debt, but you want to minimize it in order to keep yourself from drowning and feeling like you can't get out successfully. So you want to avoid digging a hole too deep for you to get out of. You need to be able to make those payments and avoid hurting yourself in the long run. So don't take on more debt than you can afford, and not all debt is bad, but you do want to minimize your debts. The next thing that school doesn't teach you is you need to pay for proper insurance. I know I preach saving money, save money this, save money that, but you do need to pay for insurance because if something unexpected happens, you're going to be paying far more out of pocket than you would be if you had insurance. And when I say insurance, I mean things like health insurance, car insurance, whatever it is, you need to make sure you have insurance in all aspects of your life. Homeowners insurance, things like that, just to give you a peace of mind, and that's worth a lot in my opinion. And before we jump into the next thing that school doesn't teach you about money, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support me and my channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. But with that out of the way, let's get back into things you need to know about money. You need to let your money work for you. I preach this all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, I post about it all the time. Savers are losers. I don't really like that phrase because saving money is great. Everybody needs to save money, but you are losing money because of inflation. So you are losing that buying power. So you need to make your money work for you. How do you do that? Well, you can put your money in a high yield savings account. You can put your money in long-term investments. You can invest in yourself and build your knowledge, which will in turn create more income for you. It's whatever you want it to mean, but you need to make your money work for you. And that brings me right to the next point. You need to invest in yourself. Saving money is great, as I always preach, save money, but you need to invest in yourself. Build your knowledge, build your skill set. That'll in turn build your net worth. As Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in your own abilities. So make sure you are investing in yourself, whatever that means to you. Courses, books, mentorships, workshops, whatever it is, just make sure you are investing in yourself to build your wealth. Also, patience is key when it comes to making money. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. I've mentioned this before. There's no get-rich-quick scheme. There's no make $1 million in a day, $1,000 a day. It's just not going to happen unless you get lucky, which is highly unlikely, but it could happen. Maybe. But most people do not get rich quick. Most people work for what they have, and it's all about building those good habits. So starting to invest little by little each month, saving each month, paying off all of your bills, all of your credit cards, is building these good habits over a long period of time that is going to benefit you more than get rich quick schemes. Shoot, even starting a business takes a ton of discipline and hard work. So even these multimillionaires from their businesses, that wasn't easy. It takes time. Patience is key. With that being said, I have a video on the steps to financial freedom, and those are some really good habits, so feel free to check that out. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next week.